Hello my friends, it's Sylvie Curry and I'm in my kitchen. Today I'm going to be cooking up something on my Ninja Foodi. I had a taste for a childhood type treat that I haven't had in a long time. And I thought, how can I sort of mature it up a little bit? And I think I came up with the perfect way to do this. I'm going to be cooking some tater tots. They're frozen tater tots. On these I'm going to be adding some bacon crisped up, spring onions, and we're going to top this all off with some cheese. I'm going to be using my steamer basket with a crisping tray to cook these in the Foodi. I'm going to put that in there, and let's get this going. I'm going to start off by warming up the fryer. I'm going to set it on air crisp 390 degrees and for the initial 5 minutes. While the Foodi is heating up, I'm going to take some avocado oil spray and just give a dash of spray to these taters. Roll them around a little bit so they get coated on all sides. The air fryer has been heating for 5 minutes, and I'm going to put in my tater tots. Spread those evenly over the tray. This is a single serving, so it's not going to be a whole lot. I can only eat so much. I've got it set for 20 minutes, and we're going to start the frying. Intermittently during this cook, I'm going to look at them, stir them around, and do a few things with it just to make sure I get an even cook. Let's check on them. This is a little over 5 minutes in. I'm just going to move them around on the tray. They're looking good. They haven't started browning yet, at least not a lot from the way that they started. We're 10 minutes into the cook, and I'm going to start by adding some of the white part of the spring onion. I'll save the green part for garnish. I'm just going to dab that over the top so they won't have such a raw flavor, even though green onions taste good raw. Okay. Got that in there. And we'll continue to cook. Now you can see we've got quite a bit of browning on these. So I'm going to throw in, not actually throw in, I'm going to put in the bacon and just sort of put that on top all over, try to spread it evenly. In case you're wondering how much bacon, I think this is 3 slices. The amount that you use depends on you. How much bacon do you want? How bacony do you wish it to be? Then I'm going to put on the cheese. And this is going to make an ooey gooey mess in here, but I love cheese. And that's going to melt all over that. The amount of cheese you use, once again, that depends on you. How cheesy do you want it to be? Here we're cooking some cheesy tater tots with bacon. Let's continue this cook. Let's check on this again. We've got melt. We've got cheesy melt. I'm going to let it go maybe a few seconds more, then I'm going to take it out. And we're going to get to eating this. Let's see what we got now. We've got a cheesy, bacony, yummy looking concoction here. I'm gonna take this out. Carefully. There you have it. And you know, while I was over there tending to something else, I said, you know, what would be really nice on this would be a fried egg. What the heck? Put the fried egg on top. Then I'm gonna sprinkle my green onions around. And you know that looks good. Can't nobody tell me that's not good. And that yolk is gonna be a runny yolk, oozing all around in there. Ah, let me get this plated up on a plate and we'll get to eating. I know your mouth is watering, so is mine. I dig over here just to get some with some of that egg yolk on it. Crispy, very tasty. I'm gonna get in here and get some more of this. That's too big of a piece. You gotta say, ooh, she's hawkish, putting all that in her mouth. Yes, sirree. Yes, sirree. That egg just tipped it off. I'm glad I thought of that. Call this a 20-minute meal. Ah. Yeah. Show you what my bite looks like. Look at all that cheesy goodness. Yeah, I was saying, what's she using? Her fingers and her hands getting all down in there? Ah. Look at that. Look at that. Just gonna pick up that piece like that.